Right, welcome to another unboxing. This time it's the CUBOT P20. I've again bought this from Amazon UK, and I just thought I'll share the experience of unboxing it. Basically, I got this to replace all the other dead handsets that I seem to end up with. I had the BL12000 and that went wrong because the side switch got stuck. Even though I don't drop it and I really look after my phones, I had problems with that one. This is the P20. This is to replace the OUKITEL K8 that I bought previously, and the K8, the power connector on it is completely bust, and that's out of the box. So when I got it, I used it for 2 days before charging, and when I plugged it in, didn't charge, didn't work, didn't connect. So this is the P20. The P220 CUBOT. Nice little presentation box. Just gonna get rid of that, and it comes in there like that. So let's see. In tradition with all the Chinese phones that I seem to be buying, it does come with a case already on it. It's got a screen protector on there as well, and yeah, it looks like a good handset. Let's just put this aside and see what else we've got in the box. Please do not use the machine for high temperature or harsh environment. Okay. Undetachable battery, so it says thank you, etc, etc. Don't need that. Some notified battery number, quick start guide. Yeah. What else have we got? So in there we've got the chargers and the connectors. So basically you've got a UK charger, which is not much use to me. I tend to use a US one or a European one, but there you go. It comes with a connector, which exactly is the same as the DOOGEE ones. The DOOGEE supply the same type of SIM pin. Let's get rid of that. So this is the charger and all the bits to go with it. I'm going to take the cover off it so you can see basically what that's like. Turn the power on. Now on the side, again, the volume button and the power button is in exactly the same place as the other Chinese handsets that I seem to be getting. You've got the microphone jack on top. You've got the old type USB, so not USB-C. You've got the microphones at the bottom there. It looks like a well-rounded handset, to be honest, and that's what you get when you start it up. So I'm going to take the case off because at some point I'm going to put the SIM cards in there. We'll have a look. Do you know what? Whilst I've got you in here as well, I'm just going to take the little SIM card tray out so we can see how it compares to the other ones that I got. So same old screen. This is version I believe 8 of Android, which is better than the DOOGEE, and it's the same as what you get with the OUKITEL one as well. So we'll just put a little pin in there, flick it open, and yeah, it appears to be the exact same setup as the other ones as well. So we've got that there. So what it appears that if you can either put one SIM card and one SD card in there, or you can put 2 SIM cards and no SD card in there. So let's just put that back in. We'll have a play with it later. There's no other connectors or anything else in there either. It's got a notch on top, so if you don't like the notch, this is not the phone for you. So that's what we've got really. Now, if that's all you want to see, then you can switch off now. However, if you want to see the comparison between the P20 and the rest of them, just hang around and have a look. So this is the P20. I'll have a play with it in a second, and this is to replace this little puppy here. In terms of size, let's just have a look. So I'm gonna have a look here. Yeah, you see. Okay, so what you've got on this one, so the screen on this is exactly the same as that, but you get the top little bit, the notches, extra on this handset. And in terms of size on this, yeah, you've got exactly the same width. So the same width as your K8. So this is the OUKITEL K8. So you've got the same width there, same width here, but you get this top extra notch on there. I've never had a phone with a notch before, so let's see how it goes basically. Again, since we're here anyway, weight wise, the P20 seems to be lighter, and this is the K8, which is thicker and chunkier as well. Again, have a look. You've got The phone is slightly bigger. You've got the SIM tray in the same place, and you've got the power and volume tray, volume buttons in the same place as well. So let's keep the P20 aside. We've got this one here as well, which is the K8, and this basically I bought to replace this little puppy here, which is the DOOGEE BL12000. Again, as I said in my previous review, the volume button, the down button seemed to be getting stuck. It's something loose in there, so every time you're typing something on there, the volume would just go down. In terms of screens, again, that was identical to that, and we've got this here as well. Now the problem with the OUKITEL K8 is you can see the USB connector there is further in, so that the charger plug that you needs to be deeper. That wasn't the problem. So when you plug in the charger in, the little plastic thing was bent inside already, and that was basically stopping the cable from going in. So I've barely been able to charge this at all. And again, not wishing to complicate things. However, you've got the other DOOGEE as well, the basic XL60, I believe it is, XL60C or whatever, which I've covered in my previous reviews as well. Smaller screen, but it was a very, very nice handset. Battery life, the BL12000, unbelievably amazing. This, it's been alright. It kept going for about 3 days, whereas this will easily keep going for about 5 days. This has just come out of the box. I don't know what it's going to be like. So we'll report whenever we get to it. Any questions, please put at the bottom. Don't be shy to ask. And thanks for watching. You're amazing people. Thanks.